Now we come to responding. As we have discussed earlier that all living beings have the capacity to respond. Like we smile at people we know, move away when a car comes towards us, shiver when we are cold, and so on. Just like we all have the capacity to respond to anything which is coming near us, or if someone is asking a question, we have the capacity to respond, or when we are feeling cold we shiver, just like, and so on. Dog raise their hackles. Hackle means the hair on the back when they are angry. Dog also, when they are angry, they raise their hackles. Cat shut their eyes when they are comfortable. Cat also shut their eyes when they are comfortable. Bird fluff out their feathers when they are cold. Bird also fluff out their feathers when they are cold. So the different animals or different living beings have the different way of responding. Do plants respond? Now, this is an interesting question. Do plants respond? Yes, they do. They respond to heat, light, moisture, touch, and other things. Plants also respond, children. They respond to the heat, light, moisture, touch, and other things. The leaves and flowers of some plant open during the day and close at night. Now, you must have seen some plants they leave the leaf and the flowers of those plants open during the day and close at night. The leaves of the sensitive plant close when something touches them. You must have heard about the chui mui plant, that when you touch the leaves of that plant just get closed. Non-living things do not respond to the things around them, as we are dealing continuously that the non-living things do not have life, so they do not respond to the things around them. Now comes movement. We move a different part of our body. We all move our different parts of our body now. We also move, walk, run, etc. from one place to another. Like us, most animals are capable of both types of movement. Animals also run, walk, so they are also having the capacity to move their body. But plants cannot move from place to place, but parts of a plant move. Can you see a tree moving from one place to another? No, na? So, but the parts of a plant move. The movement of the plants are usually slow compared to those of the animals. Animals can run, animals can walk, but the plants cannot run, children. Plants cannot, they cannot run, but their parts can move. Beside, a plant move mostly in response to the thing around them. See, an interesting line is there. Beside, a plant moves mostly in response to the thing around it. An animal moves not only in response to the thing around it, but it also to look for food, shelter, etc. Animals move their body in search of food, shelter, but non-living things do not move on their own. Non-living things do not move on their own. Have you ever seen a table moving from one place to another? No, na, because they don't have life.